revisits a fan-favorite aesthetic with the upcoming Air Jordan 1 Low OG sale, dropping in summer 2026. Taking cues from the popular 2017 High OG version, this release leans into minimalism and sophistication, offering a clean sail leather upper that stretches across the toe box, overlays, tongue, and heel. While understated in tone, the design doesn't lack detail. Red Nike Air branding on the tongue and a debossed Wings logo on the heel tab provide subtle contrast. To enhance versatility, the pair comes with two lace options in white and red, allowing wearers to dial up or down the contrast. Following successful releases like Obsidian and Rookie of the Year, this low-top iteration reinforces Jordan Brand's commitment to sleek, wearable designs amid a landscape of bolder drops. According to Sneaker Files and zSneakerheadz, the Air Jordan 1 Low OG sale will arrive in both adult and grade school sizes, with adult pairs priced at $145.